Si Miss Gian.
Practicing ko lang.
Hindi, gusto niya daw ma-experience kasi paano kumanta sa piano. Since wala namang masyadong tao, ilalayo ko daw.
Doon, huwag mo naman ilapit sa akin.
Layo ko daw. Kakanta po si Miss Gian ha. Panoorin niyo po ha. Thank you guys. 7 amazing people. Si Miss Gian na po yan.
Ayun o. Ayun o.
Kabisado mo?
Alam ni ano, pianist. Marami alam yung band.
We both know I got somewhere else to go.
Nagdala ka ng charger, maki-charge ako dyan. Meron yan siya.
I got something to tell you that I never told you. But I believe you really ought to know.
Oh?
I love you.
Spot on.
I honestly love you.
Aba, naging 10 ah. Si Gian po, sinusubukan na po akong palitan.
You don't have to answer. I see in your eyes. Maybe it was better left unsaid.
May 10 dyan oh.
This is
Hindi nagko-comment, nanonood lang.
and you must be love
Lumayos sa isa.
that is coming from my heart and my head. I love you. I honestly love you. Not trying to make you feel uncomfortable.
O, tama lang.
I'm not trying to give you anything
Hindi
else.
natin nilalapit.
Bakit to next ka?
But it's feeling does
Sabi ni ano, basta.
every day.
Sabi niya,
Sabi ni Basa.
And just leave
ako hindi ko magana.
I got the chance to say
Sabi ko daw, sabi ni Pianet.
I love you.
Alam ko yan na to.
Ano?
Sige, tatanong ko.
I honestly love you.
Wala ka. Sabi ni Basa, wala kang ita. Sabi ko,
If we both were born in another place and time, this moment might be
Ayan yung
ending
pizza.
with
Ayan, kanta ka.
Wala na po ito.
Ito nga, ito
Your
nga.
love with yours, and he will with mine. So I guess you just believing it again.
Tsaka walang tao kasi kaya.
Hindi si ano,
I
Godfather.
love you.
Nandun pa din si Alicats?
I honestly love you. I honestly love you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ay, sigat po.
Ay, saan ka nag-ano ng ano? Lyrics.
Ito na din, Bes. Wala kasi naman tao, kaya sige lang.
Ikaw lang muna ka.
Oh, alternate tayo.
Kanta ka muna dun. Ubusin ko muna itong kinain.
Ikaw din kain ka din, Bes.
Ito na, oh.
Ito mo. Ay,
Time, I've been passing time, watching dreams go by. All of my life, lying on the sun, watching
baka, Diyos ko po, ginawang whitey, nag-A dun sa harap.
Oo, nag-A. Sabi na, eh.
Sabi ko, ay,
Diba? Tapos nyo. Wow. Si Rose. Siya na si Rose.
Yeah, it's telling me
Sabi niya,
all of my life. Looking back just the worst to walking
pasaway.
Ano daw? Kasi maling na mga tao kayo. Kayo kasi pasaway.
makes you dance. If I found a place, would I recognize the place? Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. All of my life, if I can walk, be walking past. All of my life, wondering how to live and what makes it last. If I found a place, would I recognize my face?
Ano daw?
Something's telling me it
Hello?
might be you.
Galing naman, Manager.
It's telling me
Para sa lang, ano po, sige laging mahaba sinasabi.
Oo.
Makalugar ako. Gawan ko rin ng jingle. Ah, yes! Thank you! Thank you, Patsky!
Thank you din sa pagawa mo ng ano. Ganda
Thank
kayo.
you, ha?
O tapos na, BFF. Kumanta na ako.
Isa pa, kakanta pa siya isa.
Lahat sa tayo.
Kakanta pa siya isa. BFF, ay BFF niya.
we were gonna need some time. Maybe all we need is time.
Sayang.
Hindi, papakantayin pa natin isa. Isa pa.
Ano ka tayo?
And I need
Ay, carpenter siya lang ulit.
Carpenter siya lang ako.
Huwag kang aalis dyan ha, siya susunod.
I have you na lang.
Maybe love some and all
Pwede ba? Top of the world. Pwede. Pwede na lang. Kasi para update na konti.
no one's ever heard before.
I have you na lang.
It's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it must be you. And I'm feeling it just be you. All of my life. Maybe it's you.
Tama, Japan.
Maybe it's you.
Ano daw? Ang dami ko tawa sa'yo.
Waiting for all of
BFF! Shout out BFF.
Maybe it's you, maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all
Shoutout sa 11!
Shout out sa 11 million amazing people. Thank you.
to hear so much.
Ano daw? Habol ka dyan. Pilyot.